This young man, I know you are part of people that speak good about Zion, but I want to send you this as a warning. Don't try this next time. I'm only being this calm because of Zion. Don't try this rubbish video you made next time. I will not be this calm next time. Don't try it again. Don't you ever in your entire life and try this again. Let this video, even now that people have started posting it under my comments, is now I need to warn you for the very last time. Don't you ever try this again. I don't know you. You don't know me. I just saw you that you speak good about Zion. And that's why I'm so calm addressing you like this. Don't try it again. Don't you ever try. Don't use me to shine. Don't use me to shine like you're the good person, because the fight I have fought in this blue app, you can't even fight. You can't even fight it or quarter of it. Don't try it next time. Let today be the first and the last day you will try this nonsense video to even mention my, because you are, I don't want to use some detractive, I don't want to use some demeaning word where you are. I don't want. And you know exactly what happened in that video. You just want to play a game and put my name in it. Oga, no try am again, oh. No try am again. No try am again. I just want to do this short video before I will start getting ready to go to work. No try am again. No try am again. Oh. If you know I'm gonna go send them one. No just even mistake do am. Please. You knew exactly what happened in that video. Alright. Otila. You knew what happened in that video. And you want to come and play that Ogechi with the problem. Him a reason why these people brought this old video out. And which you are aware. Don't try am oga, oh. Don't try am again, oh. I will not be this calm next time. Don't try it. Don't try am again. This your video where you can do here. No try am again. Honestly speaking, don't try it.
And JPAC. Njaka and JPAC. Top notch, Ebony son. Njaka, you are not aware that these people are team. They want to do everything to hit you on social media. But you are talking too much.
With all due respect, don't you address me like this again. Your video is long and I wouldn't like to start playing and be listening to you. Don't ever say I'm talking too much. I'm again, oh. I took my time and listened to all you. I'm only respecting you because you do Zion thing. You wouldn't have liked my reply. Anybody will know you should warn you. I dey tell you, because you can equally look for my number to talk to me than to attach my name in this their rubbish thing. So you know what they do and you know who they are. You still attach me. Oga, no give room for insult, oh. No do am. No do am, oh. I know they fear no bagger. No try me again. If you want to shine as you are the best person or whatever, do it on your own. Do not add my name for your own sake. Let this video be the last day you will address me publicly in this manner. I don't warn you. Don't try it again. Don't use me to play, because that thing means that maybe I'm having problem with the Zion, or maybe Ogechi should not be putting mouth on a Zion talk. No do amo, because if this thing is coming from other side, then I will ignore it. But this video you played is playing like Ogechi, you should stop doing this. I am warning you. Don't try them again. Oh, some things can come from other direction. I know how to angle it, but when it coming from somebody that is direct from this side, I will not be happy with you. Again. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. Please, don't do it again.